Everyone, this is Jonah from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Gaggia Cadorna Prestige with us in the shop, and it came in because the customer had a few power surges go through their house, and when they went back to their espresso machine, the machine actually wouldn't turn on. And so you try to click the off button or the on and off button, and you can see it's flashing here, kind of like how it did before, but nothing would happen. The screen wouldn't turn on. It wouldn't prompt anything. It's not like just the screen was broken. It literally just wouldn't turn on. And so we went in there and replaced. This is your board that goes behind the screen. As you can see right here, I can kind of pull it out for you, just kind of show you an example. So this is what the board looks like right here. As you can see, this is your older one. And this latch right here, as you can see, a little latch clip. This would be for your screen. So this is the original screen. We have a brand new one on there, but as you can see, you put this in here. Like this, and you clip it on, and yeah, so after replacing both of these, the machine actually started to turn on. And so we're going to test that here. We're going to first click this. You're going to see Gaggia Milano come up. It's going to do a rinse cycle, and then it's going to get hot, or it's going to heat up and then do a rinse cycle. And so we're going to wait on that. Yeah, we were originally going to replace the whole motherboard, but I had a feeling that the screen might have been damaged, and so I actually bought the screen. When I bought all the other parts, this is what the motherboard will look like. Really big, really nice motherboard that goes to this machine, runs the entire machine. But I ended up not having to, so we're able to cut back and just replace what was needed. Now we're going to watch it rinse. And I will kind of wipe down this machine. I do want to wipe down right under the spouts here, though. There you go. Now we're going to get a cup and get ready to brew some coffee. We need some water real quick. There you go. As you can see, we're to espresso now, which is great. The machine's starting to work. We're actually going to brew a shot here. We're just going to brew a espresso. So it's going to start grind all into that brew unit. Now, as you can see, there's quite a few little steam that comes actually out. It's not anything electrical, at least from what I could tell, from what I tested. It's just steam, and I believe that's coming from your brew unit, either the main one or the valve that's on the side of your machine. And we did recommend it, and we ended up just doing the screen. But yeah, that's about it for this repair. If you like this video and if our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.